Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to share with you the latest update on layoffs and recession. So as many of you already know that there is a recession going on, layoffs are going on in every company, cost cutting is happening. So now let us see what is the recent update on this particular thing. And it's a very positive update. So let's not be negative about this news anymore. It's a positive update. It's a good news that has been coming up about, the layoffs. So the very first thing that I would like to tell you is the layoffs have started slowing down in the IT industry. Yes, you heard it very right. The layoffs have started slowing down. The job cuts have hit seventh month low. So since 2023, the job cuts every month that has been happening. So if you see in the month of May, 80,000 people got laid off, but in the month of June, 40,000 people have got laid off. So this is with respect to US. And see, 40,000 is also a big number, but compared to May, where 80,700 people lost their jobs. Now 40,000 people in the month of June lost their jobs. So now layoffs have started slowing down, and we will see particularly, this update in the detail. But before that, if you are watching this video for the very first time, then please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Now let us look into this particular news in detail. Right now, see, as you all know, Indian companies are taking projects from US, and there are companies in US also who are getting being services, IT services from Indian companies. So India is is bit dependent on what is happening in the US also, and across the global industry. So this is not only about US. It's not like these things are interdependent. It's not like only India dependent on US. Even US is dependent on some other countries, even India also. So this is what is happening is at the global level. So whenever you see any situation getting improving at the global level, then automatically the positive effects will start coming in the other countries also. And whenever the situation worsens at the global, so the effect is accordingly in other countries also. So now you can see US layoffs have dropped nearly 50% from May to June, reaching a 7 month low, according to a jobs report published on Thursday, right? So till now, there were a lot of job cuts were happening, a lot of layoffs were happening. But now what they did is they analyzed the situation from May to June. So in May, nearly 80,100 US employees were laid off, right? And in the month of June, 40,700 employees have lost their jobs in US. So you can see a 49% reduction from the month before, when nearly 80,000 people were laid off, right? And this is a report that has been generated from career services firm Challenger, Gray, and Christmas, right? So these are the validated reports. They have analyzed the situation that is going on in the US, and accordingly, they have provided us a update. Now let us look into this particular thing. Okay, there is one more thing which is happening is that the interest rate hike, which was there from the reserve, that has been paused, right? And the steady wave of layoffs that had rattled tech banks and media companies appears to be tapering off. So one of the reason why recession, one of the reason why this inflation, all this thing happened is the interest rate was hiked by the US Reserve Bank outside, right? So that was also one of the reason why the inflation was there, right? So they have paused their rate hike now. Now there will be no longer hike, right? So earlier, what used to happen, they used to increase their rate hikes at some particular interval of time, but now they have paused this particular thing because they are also seeing the market is, not going well. So that's how the update has come from that particular bank, right? Now, even though you see the June layoffs are 40,700, still if you compare in 2022 and 2023, so year of 2023 has still the majority of the job cuts compared to 2022. So 2023, when everyone was thinking that the situation will improve, when everyone was thinking that we will have a good amount of job opportunities in the market, but still the situation worsens. So still the situation is not up to the mark. Yes, we know it might take some more time, but the good thing is at least the layoffs have got started, like slowing down. Right? June layoffs mark the fewest job cuts since last December. The cuts are still up 25% from June 2022. So now if you see comparison between June 2023 and June 2022, right? So now also the layoffs are there and they are 25% up compared to the last year, 2022. So what was the situation in 2022 and 2023? That has been shown here, right? Now 16 US companies conducted major layoffs in June, according to Forbes layoff tracker, right, which lists layoffs affecting more than 100 employees, including at Big Four accounting firm KPMG, which cut 1,900 positions, as well as at Ford, which reportedly cut at least 1,000 employees, and food delivery services Grubhub, which exed 400 positions, right? So this is just a summary of the major employers who did a layoff in the month of June, right? The drop in layoffs is not unusual to start off the summer, according to the Challenger Gray and Christmas Senior Vice President Andrew Challenger, who noted June is typically the slowest month for the major reductions, right? And they also feel the drop in layoffs could be because of the pausing of the interest rate hike, right? So there are various reasons that the people are trying to analyze the situation, that now the layoffs have started slowing down. So are we seeing some positive note of recession going down further? So that's what this situation is being analyzed. But we thought to create a video so that it sends a message of positivity among people, because a lot of time there has been layoffs, there has been recession, and we are just trying to keep you updated with what's happening in the market. And unfortunately those are not the positive news, those have been the negative news, where the things have been not moving as per the expectations. So it's a good thing that we thought to share this update with you on the layoffs getting slowed down, right? And see, whenever you see the recession cycle also, so it is around 2 months to 12 months to 15 months it would take. Now this recession has been there since 2022. It has been more than a year, right? So whatever thing, it's recession is also one of the aspect only of the IT industry. So whenever if something goes at peak, then it has to fall down, then it has to come back. So that's how the situation has been analyzed, and we'll keep you updated with such updates, right? And please don't lose hope. Please don't get disheartened, right? I'm getting messages of people, they need jobs. Yes, that is correct. But the things which are not in our hand cannot be controlled, right? What is there in your hand that needs to be controlled. So the things that are there in our hand is to prepare, to make sure that whatever things we have mentioned in the resume, in our CV, we are good with that. So that, whenever the interviews are getting scheduled, you would be able to apply for those interviews, you would be getting the interview calls, and then you are able to clear those interviews smoothly. It should not happen that once the market opens, once the interviews get scheduled, and then you take out some time for preparation. Now is the time. Now is the time when you should prepare, you should upgrade yourself, you should, reach out to our channel also for mock interviews, right? So just share your CV at this particular email address. So I'm just mentioning my email address. It's rdautomationlearning at the rate of gmail.com. Right? So this is the email address where you can send your CV for the mock interviews, right? You need to have a good internet connection. And second thing is the videos would be uploaded on our YouTube channel so that those can be helpful to the community, right? That's it from this video. And if you have any other thing coming up related to the recession, layoffs, then please share in the comment section of this video. We have tried to share, the positive update or the negative update as and when required, right? Whenever we share negative update, that doesn't mean that we are just trying to spread negativity. We are just trying to keep you updated, with what's happening in the market, right? And today, fortunately, there's positive news coming up. So, I have been recording and it's a Sunday and it's a morning time, right? So I just thought to share this update with you so that you also feel positive and hope the situation improves as early as possible. Right. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the like button. Also share this video link with the other people in your network and subscribe our channel so that you can come to know about all these kind of updates. Also, there is a mock interviews playlist. There is an API testing playlist that is going on. So please take advantage of all those things and keep yourself updated. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates.